Good morning, everybody. It's One Yacht Carpenter at it again. Today I have you in Port Jefferson, Long Island. I'm going to show you a boat that we just finished because somehow I lost all the footage. Got lost in translation between the camera and the computer, I guess. But we're going to show you the finished product. It came out very nice. Customers super happy. So while I get down to the boat, take a look at this little setback. Well, it looks like we ran into a little setback. Yep, we hit some FOD, foreign objects or debris. Yeah, here's the cabin door to that boat. You can see what we were dealing with pretty much all over. So we're going to strip this. As you can see, it's all crazed and lifting, and it's ready for some love. Right on. Okay, I'll bring you back when we got her looking good. See you in a minute. We redid all the wood brows on both sides, the emblem, the brow going across the back, the door, the windows, all the cover boards, the tuna door threshold. It all came out beautiful. All came out very beautiful. It's so early, the dew's still on there, but we re-drilled all those bungs, took them all out, re-drilled them, put brand new screws in them, re-caulked everything all the way around. Yeah, so that's how it comes out. I'm sorry this is going to be a short video, but sometimes shorter is better. Of course, we took all the steps off, refinished those. We refinished this frame to the fly bridge. Came out pretty nice. We had a couple more pieces up here. There's one there. There's a couple more forward. Very nice. The door came out beautiful. We took this door off and built a temporary door, installed it while we took this to the shop and refinished it, and it came out beautiful in my opinion. Well, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little short video. This is One Yacht Carpenter, and I'm out.